Zoom application, you have this four option. It's very simple app to use. So it's being widely used now for a lot of meetings. So personal, in schools, in offices, a lot of place this is used because it's very simple to use, easy to use. So we have four options here. So new meeting. So whenever we are planning to schedule a meeting, we look for all these options. So it is very simply given in the form of icons in the as soon as you launch the application. So here you see new meeting, so you can on the fly create a new meeting. You can join any meeting with the once you have the meeting ID with you, and you can schedule a meeting. So once you're logged in and created your account, you can schedule a meeting here. And you can also share your screen to, if you have any slides to present, or in case you have any issues that you want someone to look into your laptop or your mobile, you can share your screen, so they'll suggest what to do. So such things can be done with Zoom. So here, like for Windows, like when you want to download it for Windows, you have to search for Zoom meeting for Windows 10. So the first option shows download for Windows, so you go and download it. And once you download, it shows like its download is completed, and it takes you to the Zoom's main page here, home page here. So then once you click, so go to your downloads in your laptop and click just click and install that. So it's very simple process to install. So this is how, once it's installed, you will have a desktop shortcut icon there. So through the desktop icon, so maybe I can show you here. So once I go to the desktop, I see the Zoom app here. So I click that and see all these options as I showed in the slide here. So I'll go to the next screen here. So this is how meeting request. So if you want to join a new meeting, so your friends or your from your company or from your kids school, you'll receive this message. You'll say that the school is inviting you for a scheduled meeting. They have the time, they have the topic, they have the time to attend, and they have the link. So directly, if you have the app installed, so directly when you click on this link, it directly takes you to the meeting. So no worries, no need to enter anything. Or in case you want to remember this meeting ID and enter it, you can do that. So both way you can attend the meeting. So here, and here is the option. So here when you join the meeting, so here is the option. So when you click on join from the Zoom app, so join from the Zoom app, it takes you to the enter meeting ID or the, so we have the list of meeting IDs here listed. So this is how you join the meeting here. So let me go back to the slide. So you just then next page, it asks for the, when you join through the link, it will not it will directly land you to the meeting page. If you are going via meeting ID, it will go to the next page where you have to enter the meeting password. Then this is how the meeting screen looks like. This takes you to the meeting, actual meeting page, where you see this option. So initially it gives a pop-up showing that join with computer audio. So you need to click this and set this automatically join with computer. So whenever you are joining with through a laptop, you can select this option, you can join here. So this is how the final screen looks like. You have a lot of options here. So first you can see that participant ID here, and you can see that who is talking here. So the person who is like, we have like multiple participants, you will see who is talking, your name will be listed here. This is the meeting topic, so whatever the meeting topic they have given will be listed here. The host name will be listed here, the password for the meeting, and also the invite link is there. In case you want to invite someone else, you can do that. And here is the options like join with audio and join with other options, like whatever speakers you have connected. So through that you can mics you have, through that you can connect it. And you can start the video. So once you start the video, you can see yourself. And most probably, if the video, if it is a video meeting, like a lot of people might have joined, like few people prefer to join through video to talk, so few people don't want to show their video. So that's what there's an option to enable and disable the video here. and you can see the participants list, how many participants are there in the meeting. So just click on this link and you will, on the right hand side, it will display who are all participating there. And then you can so while in the meeting, if you are asked to share something, so you can share your screen here, so you can show your content, anything if you want to present. Then there's a chat option also, so more option you click, there's a chat option, so you can go and chat with your friends. So here is the options. So I have clicked, I this first window, this space shows the participant list, how many participants are there. This is Zoom group chat. So this here you can chat, you can select specific person from the participant list to send a message, or you can send a message to common. If so in case there is a big meeting, so if you have any questions, you can just type in your questions here. So it's not necessary that host answers it. If anyone else from the meeting knows, they will answer the question here, so you'll get immediate answers through the chat. So simultaneously you can chat also. This is one of the, so this is very simple and easy to use application. So it is very pleasing app, so that everyone easily understands what to do, and it easily works for everyone. So this is like sign up page. So when you sign up, Zoom first takes your date of birth here. So I have entered the date of birth here, and you can when you sign up for free, it asks for your email address. So you need to enter a valid email address. It goes to the your it says that we have sent so when it want to check, make sure, Zoom want to make sure that you have used a valid email ID, so that your sign up process is completed correctly. So you need to go to your email. So there's the email there asking you to activate the account. So once you click, you are activated. So it again goes to this page. It asks for, like, are you signing on behalf of your school or you? So because if there is a school, then it has some other options to enter. So if it is self, then you can directly say no and continue here. That's what you go to the Zoom page. You can once, because you have entered your date of birth and your email address, now you have to enter all other details here. You have to create a proper account here. So you have to enter your first name, last name, password, and confirm password here for the meeting. So then don't don't Zoom alone. So it's asking you to invite your friends to do a meeting here to check. So the purpose of you downloading and installing and signing up to the Zoom is like you want to schedule a meeting, or you want to ask your friend, invite your teammates to join a meeting. So you can just directly enter their email address and ask them to join the meeting. So you can skip this test step, and this is your personal meeting URL. So this URL, you can share it with your friends for anytime meeting. So on the fly you can create the meeting and join the meeting. So this is how this link works. So and for you, this is the actual profile. So whatever your personal meeting ID is shown here, your link is shown here. So in case you want to share it to anyone, so you have a meeting common meeting ID, and meeting capacity is also shown here, how many people you can invite. So this is the settings option here. So your profile option here. So personal meeting is ID is one ID which is common. You can use it for all the meeting, or you can generate. So when you schedule a meeting, there's an option to use the personal meeting ID, or you can generate the meeting IDs on the fly. So usually the companies, corporate companies prefer not to use a personal meeting ID. So whenever they schedule a meeting, there's a meeting ID generated whenever you create a schedule a meeting. So this is the meetings page. So you will have all the meetings listed here. If you are scheduled for a meeting, so all the meetings will be listed here. You can directly click the link and join. So this is how Zoom meeting works. So this is the actual Zoom meeting window here. So as I said, when you go and schedule, so these are the options here. As I said, you can use the personal meeting ID here, or generate it automatically, and you can configure a password for the meeting, so it is automatically generated. But in case you want, you can generate, you can change the password here, and there are other options here which you can select, deselect. So this is the join also you can see as soon as in case you get a request from your friend to join a meeting. If you have this app, you can just enter the meeting ID and you can enter your name who you are joining, because the person who are inviting should know that who is joined actually. So this is the one, so you can that. So this can be used, app can be used to share the screen on the fly. So if you have the meeting ID, you can just click this and enter the meeting ID. You can share the screen to your friends or your colleagues to look into some or share some content of your desktop, or you can, if you want to show some issues that you are facing, then that can also be checked by your friend sitting remotely. So this is all about the Zoom meeting app. So very fantastic app this is, so very easy to use. Please do use, go through this video to understand how to use it. So in case you have any queries, please use the comments window to add your comments, and kindly please make sure you subscribe this video. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you guys, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. Bye.